Over $500 billion worth of aftermarket car parts flood the market every single year. But here's the brutal truth. Most of them aren't upgrades, they're dangerous shortcuts that can destroy your engine, empty your wallet, or worse, put you in the hospital. In this video, I'm exposing 13 aftermarket parts you should never buy. These cheap knockoffs are behind tens of thousands of crashes and repair bills that can easily hit $5 grand. And at the end, I'll reveal one counterfeit product that's already taken lives. Stick around, this might be the most important car video you watch this year. Number 13, tires. Let's start with the one mistake that can turn a normal drive into a nightmare in seconds. Every year, nearly 78,000 crashes are caused by tire blowouts and flats. And the worst offenders? Cheap imported tires, especially from overseas factories that cut every corner possible. Most of these budget tires barely get tested for wet grip. On a rainy highway when traffic is moving, that lack of testing becomes terrifying. Manufacturers use lower-grade rubber compounds to hit rock-bottom prices, which kills handling, traction, and fuel economy. Even worse, their lifespan is pathetic. While a quality tire can easily last 50,000 to 70,000 miles or more, many of these cheap ones shred themselves in under 20,000 miles, especially in cold weather. Bottom line, don't gamble your safety for $60 tires off random websites. Buy from reputable American-made or trusted brands at places like Discount Tire, Les Schwab, or even Costco. Skip the sketchy Facebook Marketplace and eBay deals. Number 12, brake pads and rotors. Now let's talk about something that keeps a lot of mechanics up at night. There are 0 federal tests required for most replacement brake pads. That's why the market is flooded with junk. Brake-related failures account for over 22% of all mechanical crashes. I've seen tests where cheap pads, after just a handful of hard stops, lose so much friction that the driver has to stomp twice as hard to slow down. Inferior materials overheat fast, and low-quality rotors can't shed that heat. Eventually, the brake fluid boils and you lose all pedal feel. We're talking potential $2,500 brake system repairs because someone wanted to save $40 on pads. Skip the mystery brands with fake reviews. Go OEM or stick with proven suppliers like Brembo, Bosch, Akebona, or Wagner. Your family's safety isn't the place to go cheap. Number 11, mass airflow sensor. This little sensor is supposed to last hundreds of thousands of miles, but cheap aftermarket versions, they fail fast and cause chaos. I've had customers install a $40 knockoff MAF only to watch their car immediately limp mode, idle rough, stall, or guzzle gas. These generic sensors don't communicate properly with your specific engine computer. Always go OEM here, and remember, most MAF sensors can actually be cleaned and revived. I show exactly how in my other video, 17 maintenance secrets mechanics don't want you to know. Number 10, air filters. Over half of all drivers only change their air filter when a mechanic tells them to, and then they grab the cheapest one possible. Big mistake. Cheap filters use poor quality fibers that shed inside your intake. Those fibers land on your MAF sensor's hot wire and burn it out, a $500 plus repair. Even worse, they let dirt and debris bypass straight into your engine, destroying piston rings, cylinder walls, and turbo bearings. That bargain, $12 filter can quietly destroy a $6,000 engine. Reusable filters like K and N can work, but only if you oil them correctly. Too much oil and you kill the MAF. My recommendation? Stick with quality OEM filters from trusted retailers like AutoZone. Number 9, oil filter. 80% of engine wear happens in the first few seconds after startup. That's when metal shavings need to be caught immediately. Cheap oil filters use basic cellulose media that lets particles up to 40 microns through, big enough to score bearings and ruin your motor. Premium filters trap down to 10-20 microns with synthetic blends. They also use weak plastic bypass and anti-drainback valves that fail early. When those fail, you get oil starvation or dirty oil circulating during startup. Spend the extra few bucks on OEM or top-tier brands like Bosch or Mobil 1. Always check the box for proper branding and country of origin. Number 8. Tie rod ends and ball joints. These are steering and suspension parts that directly affect control of your car. This is not the place to save money. Low-end aftermarket tie rods and ball joints fail 2 to 4 times faster than OEM. They often have poor fitment. Even 0.05 MOF can create deadly vibrations at highway speeds. Most importantly, they skip proper heat treatment on the steel, so they wear out or snap in months instead of years. Always buy OEM or from known OEM suppliers like Delphi, Sankei 555 or Lemforder. Never trust universal fit junk from random online sellers. Number 7. Oxygen sensors. A bad O2 sensor can destroy your fuel economy by up to 25%. That $50 deal can quietly cost you $700 $800 a year in extra gas. Most cheap sensors are universal fit, which means sloppy wiring and poor ECU communication. This makes your engine run too rich or too lean, which murders your catalytic converter, another $2,000 hit. Stick with OEM, they're more expensive upfront but last 50,000 plus miles reliably. Beware of suspiciously cheap OEM listings online, many are counterfeit or used. Number 6. Fuel pump. It's tempting when you see a fuel pump for $90 on eBay versus $400 at the dealer. I made this mistake once and paid for it. Cheap pumps use weak motors, poor seals, and low-quality check valves. You'll get inconsistent fuel pressure, hard starts, hesitation, and random stalling. Dropping a fuel tank for replacement often costs $500 $700 in labor alone, so that bargain pump ends up costing way more. Buy OEM or from trusted names like Denso and Bosch through reputable stores. Number 5. Wiper blades. Poor visibility causes over 38,000 crashes every year. Cheap wiper blades make that situation deadly. Natural rubber blades crack and streak fast. Even synthetic rubber can't match proper silicone blades that last up to 3 years and leave a water-repellent coating. Skip the guys selling blades out of their trunk. Get quality silicone or synthetic blades from Rain-X, Bosch, or Michelin. Number 4. Headlights and lenses. Modern headlights are incredibly complex. Even some factory units barely pass safety tests. Cheap aftermarket headlights, especially from overseas, use inferior plastics that yellow and crack quickly. Bad seals let moisture in, destroying electronics and ruining the beam pattern. You need proper light output and cutoff to see without blinding others. Go OEM or OEM equivalent from reputable suppliers like Philips, Osram, or Hella. Number 3. Car batteries. Batteries aren't what they used to be. Long shipping times from overseas factories mean many are already degrading before they hit the shelf. Always check the manufacture date, never buy anything more than a month old. Buy from high-volume stores like AutoZone, O'Reilly, or Advance Auto Parts where stock moves fast. Look for American-made options from AC Delco, Odyssey, Duralast, or Die Hard when possible. Number 2. Spark plugs. Cheap spark plugs can cause immediate misfires, rough running, and long-term engine damage. Some even lack proper resistors and create electronic interference. Others skip nickel coating and can snap off inside the cylinder, a nightmare repair. Performance plugs are usually marketing hype, with zero real-world gains on stock engines. Stick with OEM or premium OEM suppliers like NGK and Denso. Watch out for counterfeit NGK plugs everywhere online. Number 1. Airbags and supplemental restraint system components. This is the scariest one. In 2025, the government issued urgent warnings about counterfeit airbags. Some contain wrong explosive charges that can maim or kill you in a crash instead of saving you. One Chinese manufacturer has already been linked to multiple deaths. These fake airbags are being sold cheap on eBay and in junkyards. Never buy used or untested airbags. Only go OEM. Yes, they're expensive, but your life and your family's lives have no price tag. There you have it, 13 aftermarket parts you should avoid like the plague. Stick with OEM or trusted name brand suppliers and you'll save money in the long run while staying safer on the road. If you're replacing parts way too often, you might be making some of these mistakes without realizing it. Check out my video, 17 Stupid Habits That Destroy Your Car Before 50,000 Miles, next. Drop a comment and tell me what's the worst cheap part you've ever been burned by. I read every comment. Smash that like button if this video saved you from making an expensive mistake, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.